Hello everybody, it's me Robin from Urban Web Solutions. If you need any kind of website, you may contact with us. We can create easily very user-friendly website for you. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change or translate any text from your website without having any coding knowledge. Suppose if you want to change any text or if you want to translate any text but you don't have any coding knowledge. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how can easily change anything without having coding knowledge. Sometimes in the WooCommerce shop, you need to change add to cart text or checkout text, blah 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 blah. Many times you need to change many text. So how you can do this, I am going to show you right now. First of all, you have to log into your WordPress dashboard because we are going to use a plugin, and then from the dashboard menu, hover on plugins and click on add new, and after that from the search bar in the top right you have to search for replace the plugin name is Realtime find and replace, and after hitting the search button you will see here at the top the plugin name is Realtime Find and Replace. Make sure you are going to install this plugin, so click on install now, and when it's installed, and then we have to activate, so click on activate now. And after successfully activating our plugin, you have to go back to your dashboard menu and again hover on tools. At the bottom you will see here the plugin name is showing Realtime Find and Replace, so you have to click on it. So click, and then you will see there have a option add. If you want to change or translate any text, then you have to click on add. Suppose we are going to replace free delivery with no charge. There have two boxes at the left, find, and at the right, replace. So if you in the find box you have to put the text which one you want to replace. So we want to replace free delivery, so in the right box under the replace you have to type the text which one you want to show on your website. So suppose we are going to show no charge, and then you have to simply click on update setting, and then you have to reload the website and you will see no charge. So very easily you can easily change any text. Now I am going to show you how you can translate any text. Suppose we are going to translate free delivery to my local language, to my language Bengali. So free delivery, that means in Bangla I am going to type Bangla here, free delivery, free delivery. So free delivery means in Bengali this word. So I am going to update setting and then reload the website. You will see the text has been translated perfectly. So you can see here the Bengali language free delivery. So if you want to translate with your own language, you can easily replace or translate. But one more thing I am going to share with you, there have a difficulties with this free version of this plugin. You can only change 5 words from this plugin with free version. So I am going to add 5 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 words you can change. If you want to add more boxes, or if you want to change more text, then click on add new, and there you will see here a pop-up message: you have reached the limit of the free version. Consider buying the pro version. A lifetime license is less than $15. So less than $15 you have to purchase this plugin if you want to add or replace or translate any more words more than 5 times. So don't worry, I am going to show you how can easily make this unlimited without paying them, without purchasing this plugin, without any extra cost, or you don't need to pay single dollar. In the next tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make this plugin unlimited with this free version. So make sure you have subscribed our channel, and your subscription is our inspiration. So tata for now.